So as we're wrapping up on the Chrome Delete, we are now also starting on the Satin Guard PPF, turning it into the Satin Blue. I think this is the first time we're doing Satin Guard on a blue Tesla Model X on the vlog, so this is really cool to show you guys. In this light, you can really see the difference between the two. It looks like a completely different finish. It's really neat. Right now we are at our body shop. We got done wrapping the Tesla Model X. I don't want to show you the whole thing yet, but the reason why it's here is because we're doing something really cool. So we've done a Chrome Delete on this car. However, we're doing something a little bit more unique. The factory calipers from Tesla is like this gray, blackish color, you know, very standard, very OEM. But we're changing the color of those. We are doing Hermès orange. So we have this here to color match. We're gonna make this orange, make these orange. Blue with orange is a color combo you don't see too often, but it does work if it's done right. If the right shades, it can look really cool. I always like doing these fun color projects. Eventually. So we got the Tesla back from our body shop. So now all we have to do is get the car prepped for delivery. Did your dad call you Junior?
No.
Dude, can you imagine if your brothers were also named Raul?
My dad was stupid.
Raul. What? Have you ever seen an Hermès edition Tesla Model X? Because we're looking at one. This was a fun one for us. Being able to do something refreshing like paint the emblems and calipers freaking orange. This idea could have gone really wrong easily, but I think we did a good job making sure that everything worked well together. From the Chrome Delete, the Satin Guard wrap, the paint matched Hermès orange, and of course the wheels. This couldn't have gone better. Here we have the Vossens HF2 wheels customized in satin black. I didn't want to take away from the orange, so we kept it clean and subtle, but the mesh design still brings some details to the mix. Our signature satin black Chrome Delete like usual to get rid of the chrome. This has become a must-have for pretty much every one of our projects at this point. What do you think of the satin blue? I love how the light hits the body line so well now that it's satin. It just makes it look so sharp. And in different angles, you see some matte and then you see some translucent effect to it. And the best part is you keep all the metallic flakes from the original blue paint underneath. Last but not least, the orange. It's pretty difficult to color match something, especially if they're on different materials or surfaces, but I say we got it pretty spot on. And they freaking pop next to the black accents, especially on the calipers. We even changed the Tesla words on the calipers to black, and those are infused with the paint, so they don't peel off or anything like that. They're here to stay. To finish everything off, we applied a layer of graphene coating to the exterior to pop the colors even more and make it hydrophobic. Let me know what you think of this project and the color scheme. It's really unique, and I'm sure it will grab a lot of attention wherever it goes.